In this video, I will show you how to send email in Gmail. To send email, first log into your Gmail. I'm already logged in my Gmail. After that, go to the Compose and click. The Compose panel will open. You can increase it, you can make it larger or even smaller. So for the tutorial, I think larger will be fine. You will find three sections. One, to whom you want to send the email, a subject, about what the email you want to send, and this is the message body. In the bottom line, you will find send button, and then formatting option, and then attach file, where you will add your file. It's maybe a MS Word document, your CV, or a PDF document, something like that. Insert link. If you want to insert link, you can use this section. You can use emoji from here. You can insert file using your Google Drive from here, and you can add insert image here. You can even also add email signature. Let me show you. I want to share email to another one of my email address. Write a subject for your email subject, and here is the message body. You can write hi there. First of all, if you want to send a business email, if you want to send your resume or CV to a company, you must have to make it professional and grammatically okay. So if you want, you can write your email through ChatGPT. Usually this is very easy. You will just instruct, I want to write an mail in Gmail to my boss, new contract. Write it for me. You know what, it will be easy. ChatGPT will write everything for you. Here is the hey dear boss name. I hope, look, it's a good formatting. Just copy it and paste it here. Dear boss name, you can write Rob. Okay, I hope you are doing well. I wanted to inform contract name. You can just add the details here. So this way you can use ChatGPT to write your email and send email. To send email, you will just add send button, and if you want to add any attachment of your any proposal, you know what, as I write about the contract, whatever your subject is, whatever you want, just write in rough in the ChatGPT. It will provide you a full formatted email. Click send, and the email sent here. Hope this video will help you to send email. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.